seeing those old Volkswagen bugs there. So I'm here in Arequipa, Peru, and this here is El Misti volcano. The peak is an elevation of more than 19,000 feet. There's another volcano over here that's even taller. It's a little bit further away. I forget what that one's called. It's the second largest city in Peru. However, it is much smaller than Lima, the capital, which is like more than 15 million people. It's less than 1 million people here in Arequipa. It's a very lovely city. I'm going to head back into the historic center of town, near where my hostel is, the main plaza, the main cathedrals, etc., and show you the sights. Here we go. This is a nice little lane here. You can see quite old buildings and the brick street here, or whatever the stone is. And another shot of that other volcano. Man, what a sight. That looks like a hell of a climb. And here we have the Cathedral of San Francisco. And it looks like today is Sunday. Looks like the Sunday church service is just getting over. Great timing. Get a little taste of the Peruvian music and their Sunday service ceremony. And a very pleasant little square here. So this is the Monastery of Santa Catalina, which was founded in 1580. But it was not a typical monastery, it was a nunnery. But apparently it was founded by a rich woman, and the nuns in this monastery had quite a different life from the usual nunnery, such that they would have like music and parties, and the nuns had servants. And this continued for like 3 centuries, and then in 1871, somehow the Pope Pius at the time, caught wind of what was going on here and sent another head nun down here to straighten things out, and then the whole party was over. But another one of those old Volkswagens, pretty cool. And it is apparently a very fascinating place with all kinds of weird passageways and random rooms and stuff like that. I might do a tour of it sometime later and then make another video about that specifically. But so I just found this nice looking cafe. I'm going to pop in and see if they have chicha, which is the national drink of Peru, made from purple corn and other ingredients such as apple juice, cinnamon and some spices, maybe pineapple or something. It's definitely very different, but very refreshing. So I'm going to inquire. Yes, that's it right there. Hola, ¿tienes chicha?
Sí.
Una
Chicha morada.
Gracias. All right, here we go. This looks nice and tasty. Here it comes with sugar on the side, so you can add to your liking if you like. So, Okay, I'll add a little bit of that sugar. So that was a really good chicha there, and I thought maybe it would be a little bit more expensive than other places because that place looked kind of swanky. It was 5 soles. Sometimes it's only 3 soles for chicha, but it was a good size one and a really nice cafe, as you can see there. And so that is a little more than $1.50 for a nice big drink there. So now I'm going to head down to the main plaza here and show you that. And so here's the main plaza of Arequipa, the Plaza de Armas. A very nice spot, as you can see.
Hola.
Hola, ¿cómo está? Bueno? No? Sí? And so this is the main cathedral of Arequipa, which, as you can see, is under construction at the moment. However, you can go inside and take a tour. You have to pay for that tour, and I did that yesterday. So now I'm going to insert into this video some footage from yesterday going inside the cathedral there, and then going up and getting views of the city and those volcanoes.
The Misti, 5,825 meters above sea level.
Yeah.
Chachani is higher, 6,075.
So this one is not Misti?
No, the Misti is in the middle.
Ah, okay.
On the left is the Chachani, and on the right, the Pikchu Pikchu.
Wow. And so the elevation again, this one is about 6,000 meters?
5,825.
5,900?
825. The Chachani, 6,075 is higher.
Okay.
But it's far from here. It's
yeah, so it looks smaller.
23. And the other Misti is 18 kilometers from here.
Yeah.
And the other is the Pikchu Pikchu, 5,650.
5,650. Okay, so it's tallest left to right, tallest middle, but that's the Misti volcano.
Yeah.
Awesome. So I hope this video has given you a good taste of Arequipa in the Andes Mountains of southern Peru. Hasta luego.